Welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn the easiest method to fix your Regions Bank digital account access. Without any hassle, welcome to our channel. If you have been struggling to access your Regions Bank digital account, today we will walk you through an easy and professional step-by-step method to regain access quickly and securely. First, let's understand the common reasons why access issues occur. These may include forgotten passwords, account lockout, due to multiple failed login attempts, technical glitches, or outdated app versions. Now let's get started with the step-by-step solution. Step 1. Start by visiting the official Regions Bank website or opening the Regions mobile banking app. Ensure you have a stable internet connection to avoid interruptions. Step 2. If you remember your login credentials, try entering them carefully. Make sure your username and password are typed correctly, paying attention to capitalization and special characters. Step 3. In case you forgot your password, click on the Forgot Password link, usually found below the login fields. You will be prompted to enter your username or email address associated with your account. Step 4. After entering your information, you will receive an email or text message with a password reset link or verification code. Follow the instructions provided in the message carefully to create a new password. Make sure it is strong and unique to protect your account. Step 5. If your account is locked due to multiple failed login attempts, you might see a notification suggesting you to unlock it. To do this, contact Regions Bank customer service by phone or use their secure online chat feature. Explain your situation and request account unlocking. Step 6. For technical issues or app-related problems, try uninstalling and reinstalling the latest version of the Regions Bank app. Sometimes simply updating the app resolves many access problems. Step 7. Clear your browser cache or app data. If you are accessing through a web browser, this helps remove any corrupted temporary files that may cause login issues. Step 8. Always check for any notifications or alerts from Regions Bank about maintenance or outages, which could be temporarily affecting access. Step 9. If none of these steps work, consider reaching out directly to Regions Bank support. Either call their customer service or visit a branch for personalized assistance and verification. Remember to never share your password or personal information with anyone claiming to be from the bank without verifying their identity. By following these easy steps, you will most likely regain access to your Regions Bank digital account smoothly and securely. We hope this guide made your experience stress-free and straightforward. Remember to keep your login information safe and update your security settings regularly. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video if you found it helpful.